Good morning, welcome in Eduma. Today we will discuss micro lesson plan of life science, which is based on the skill of blackboard writing. Today we will discuss lesson plan of life sciences. Objective is to achieve the proficiency in skill of blackboard writing. After that we will make a table which consists of pupil, teacher, name, roll number, class, subject, topic, time, date, supervisor. We will discuss the topic nutrition in plant of class 7th, right? After that we will write presentation. Presentation consists of 4 parts: teaching points, pupil teacher activity, pupil activity, blackboard work. In pupil teacher activity, we write good afternoon students. In pupil activity, good afternoon ma'am. Pupil teacher activity, sit down, right? Students, why we eat food. In pupil activity, we write ma'am to get energy. It is a collective response. We write it on a blackboard. Eat food to get energy. After that, we will ask how many components are present in food. Ma'am, 5 carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. It is a collective response. We write components of food, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals on a blackboard. All these are known as nutrients. What is nutrition? No response. We write word nutrition on blackboard. Students, today we will study nutrition in plants in brief. After that, our teaching point is nutrition. Nutrition is the process of taking food by organism and its digestion, absorption and utilization by the body. On blackboard we write nutrition and definition of nutrition, that is process of taking food by organism and its digestion, absorption and utilization by the body. In pupil activity we write students citing definitions on notebooks. In pupil teacher activity we write from where the plants get food: soil, water, sunlight. Collective response. On blackboard we write plant get food dash soil, water, sunlight. After that, in pupil teacher activity we write now we came to know next part of the nutrition in plants. Our next teaching point is modes of nutrition. Modes of nutrition. In pupil teacher activity we write there are 2 modes of nutrition in plants: autotrophic, heterotropic. Now we write on blackboard modes of nutrition: autotrophic, heterotropic. And in pupil activity we write students write on notebooks. First of all we discuss autotrophic. Next teaching point is autotrophic nutrition. In pupil teacher activity we write the mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food from simple substances like carbon dioxide, hydrogen and minerals present in the surroundings. Right? Now on blackboard we write the definition of autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food from simple substances like carbon dioxide, water and minerals. Right? Then on pupil activity we write students listen and write down. Our next teaching point is autotrophs. Organisms having autotrophic mode of nutrition are called autotrophs. And on blackboard we write autotrophs, organisms having autotrophic mode of nutrition. Next is example of autotrophs. The plants producers are example of autotrophs, right? Example plant bracket producers. We write it on a blackboard. And in pupil activity we write students writing on their notebooks. Next is tearotropic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make its own food from the simple substances but obtain ready-made by green plants directly or indirectly is called heterotropic mode of nutrition. On blackboard we write the definition of heterotropic nutrition, that is the mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make its own food from the simple substances but obtained ready-made by green plants directly or indirectly. Students writing on their notebooks. Next is heterotrophs. Organisms having heterotropic mode of nutrition are called heterotrophs. Example, animals, humans. We write on blackboard heterotrophs, right? Organism having heterotropic mode of nutrition. Example, animals, humans. Students writing on their notebooks. Today we studied nutrition in plants in brief. Thank you. Now we make the table. And first of all, we write rating scale. And in table, we write serial number, skill component, then extremely poor, very poor, poor, average, good, very good, excellent. Skill component, right? First is legibility of handwriting. Second is neatness of blackboard work. Third is appropriateness of writing work on black